Hello students, today we are going to see 9th standard maths first chapter set language exercise 1.5. Fourth question, let us see the fourth question. Verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Let us use Venn diagram to solve this. How to verify this formula using Venn diagram? First you have to draw the three sets. This is A, B, C. Like that you have to draw A, B, C, A, B, C. Like that you have to draw three diagrams for each. This is for LHS and this is for RHS. This is for RHS. So this is LHS. First let us do this A union B intersection C. First one you have to take A. Second one you have to take for B intersection C. And then final result for LHS A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. Next A union B. This is for RHS A union B. And this is for A union C and A union B intersection A union C. Let us represent this using Venn diagram. First one A. You have to shade this A portion only for A. And then second one for B intersection C. This part is B intersection C. So you have to shade this B intersection C. And then final one for LHS. You have to combine together this A and B intersection C. You have to combine together. That is A union B intersection C. The same only come for RHS. Then only it is proved. So what is RHS? A union B. You have to combine A union B. This part and this part. This is A and this is B. So you have to share this A union B. And then next you have to find out which one using Venn diagram A union C. So this A and this C. This is A and this is C. So you have to combine these two. That is A union C. Next one intersection. These two figures you have to find out the intersection part. This is A and here also having A. And this intersection part having these two diagram. This part is not in this first diagram and this part is not in this second diagram. This part is not in this second diagram. So you have to take this common part for these two. We will get the same LHS and RHS. This A part and B intersection C part. So the final LHS and RHS will be same. Therefore A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Let us see the fifth question. If A is equal to B, C, E, G, H and B is equal to A, C, D, G, I and C is equal to A, D, E, G, H. Show that A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. First let us take LHS. What is LHS? A difference B intersection C. First you have to find out B intersection C is equal to the common element for B and C. What is the common element? A, D, G. So here also A, D, G, C also having A, D, G. So intersection is A, D, G. Now you have to take A. What is A? B, C, E, G, H. Now we have to take the common element for these two terms. Which one is we have? Only G. G is the common term for these two. So except this common term, we have to take other elements in A. That is A difference B intersection C. In both we have A and B intersection C. We have to find out first common element. Except that common element, what are the remaining elements in A? That is A difference B intersection C is equal to B, C, E, H. B, C, E, H. This is, take it as 1. This is LHS. What is RHS? First, we have to take A difference B. A difference B is equal to, we have to take the common element for these two terms. What is in A? B, C, E, G, H. And here common is C and G. C and G. Except C and G, the remaining elements in A. So that is equal to B, E, H. And what is next one? A difference C. A difference C is equal to, we have to find out for these two terms, which one is common? That is G, E, E, G. I have to take E and G and H also. E, G, H, E, G, H. The remaining terms in A, so B and C. So here you put B and C. Now you have to take the union for these two terms. So you have to take this union for these two terms. We will get A minus B union A minus C is equal to, we have to combine together B, C, because 2 times B is there. So you have to write only one time. So B, C, E, H. This is considered as 2. Now we have to check first equation B, C, E, H. Here also 2, second equation B, C, E, H. So hence proved this formula A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Hence proved. Can you understand, students? Now let us see the 6th question. If A is equal to X such that X is equal to 6n, n belongs to W, and the second condition is n less than 6. That is, n belongs to W means whole number. So starting from 0 onwards. So n less than 6 means we have to take the values for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. Because less than 6. And then second, for B is equal to the set of X such that X is equal to 2n, and n belongs to natural numbers, and the second condition is 2 less than n less than or equal to 9. So you have to take the n value for 3 onward, 3 to 9. And then C is equal to X such that X is equal to 3n. So n belongs to natural numbers, and that second condition is 4 less than or equal to n less than 10. So we have to take 4 to 9. First you have to find out A, B, C in roster form. What is A? A is equal to X is equal to 6n. So we have to take whole numbers. So n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. So X is equal to first one 6 into 1 0 is equal to 0. And X is equal to 6 into 1 6. X is equal to 6 into 2 12. 6 2s are 12. So next one X is equal to X into 3 is equal to 18. X is equal to 6 into 3 4 is equal to 6 fours are 24 and x is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30. So what is the answer for A? A is equal to 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And next one we have to find out B. For B we have to take x is equal to 2n. So what is the condition? N is equal to, we have to take 3 to 9. 3, 4, 5 because 2 less than n less than or equal to 9. So we have to take 2 to n is equal to 3 to 9. So first you have to substitute x is equal to 2 into first 3. 3 2s are 6. And x is equal to 2 into 4. The same way we have to find out as 2 into 5, 2 into 6, 2 into 7, 2 into 8, 2 into 9. So 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So what is the B value? B is equal to 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Can you understand? Next we will find out what is C. C, x is equal to 3n. We have to find out the C value. Next we will find out C. X is equal to 3n. So n is equal to 4 to 9. You have to substitute instead of n, you have to substitute 4 to 9. So that is equal to 3 into 4, 3 into 5, 3 into 6, 3 into 7, 3 into 8, 3 into 9. So what is the answer? 3 4s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 24, 27. So what is C? C is equal to 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So we already found out that is A, what is B and what is C. Now let us show that this formula A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. So we found out A is equal to 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and B is equal to 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and C is equal to 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Now we have to prove. First one is LHS. We have to take LHS is equal to, first you have to take B intersection C. So B intersection C means you have to take the common element for these two terms. So what is the 12, then 18. 12 and 18 only common for these two terms. So 12 and 18. And what is A? A is equal to 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So let us A difference B intersection C. Let us see what is the common term for these two terms. Common element, that is 12, 18 is the common. So what is the remaining term? 0, 6, 24, 30 in A. We have to see first term only. So we have to take 0, 6, 24, 30. This is the first one, LHS. Let us take RHS. RHS first you have to take A difference B is equal to. A difference B means you have to take the common element for A and B. What is the common? 6, 12, 18. So 6, 12, 18. Except 6, 12, 18. What are the remaining terms in A? 0, 24, 30. 0, 24, 30. And what is B? A intersection C. A difference C we have to find out. So what is A difference C means you have to take the common for A and C. So 12 is common and 18 also common. Not 12, 6 illa. So 12, 18, 24. 12, 18, 24. The remaining terms in A 0, 6, 30. 0, 6, 30. Now we have to take the union part for these two terms. So A difference B union A difference C is equal to, you have to take all the elements 0, 6, 24, 30. This is second equation. Let us see that first equation and second equations are equal. So 1 is equal to equal, hence proved. Let us prove this one. A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Okay students, can you understand? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Let us see the next 3 sums in the next class. Thank you children.